Welcome everyone. So today we are going to understand how to solve this kind of question which says that x square equals to 8 plus y and y square equals to 8 plus x, and we know that x is not equal to y and we need to find the value of x y equals to what. Okay, so here in this case what we'll do is we'll subtract the equation. So here you will get what, x square minus y square equals to 8 plus y minus 8 minus x, correct? So this is cancelling and I'm left with what, x square y square, x square minus y square can be written as what, x minus y into x plus y, right? And here you're left with what, y minus x, but I want to write everything in terms of what, x first. So I'll write this as nothing but what, x minus y, and I'll take this minus sign outside. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll shift everything on one side of the equal to. So I'll be left with what, x minus y into x plus y plus x minus y equals to 0. So now what we'll do is, see, we can take x minus y common. So I'll be left with what, x minus y into x plus y plus 1 equals to 0. So I can say x minus y equals to 0, then that gets to what, x equals to y. That is not possible. This is given in the question. So I'll discard this completely. This is gone. So now from this I can say that x plus y plus 1 equals to 0. Okay. Let's shift this on this side. So I will write this as nothing but what, x plus y plus 1 equals to 0. Now we'll shift this 1 on the other side of the equal to. So I will say I'll have what, x plus y equals to minus 1. Now don't forget, you need to find the value of what, xy. Now the only way of doing finding xy is nothing but what, just squaring both sides. When you do that, what happens is that you will get x square plus y square plus 2xy equals to minus 1, the whole square gets you just 1. Okay, now if you recollect, here I had what, x square minus y square, that is coming out to be what, y minus x. 8 and 8 was getting cancelled. Okay, so here instead of subtracting, if I add them, I will get what, x square plus y square equals to 8 plus 8 gets you how much, 16 plus y plus x. So let's put it over here. I can write this as nothing but what, 16 plus y plus x equals to 2x, sorry, my bad, you still had your 2xy plus 2xy equals to 1. Now if you look closely from here, I could also say that x plus y equals to minus 1, right? So here instead of y plus x or that x plus y, we can put this value of minus 1. So I'll have what, 16 minus 1 plus 2xy equals to 1. So 16 minus 1 gets you what, 15 plus 2xy equals to 1. Subtracting both sides by 15. Okay, I'll be left with what, 2xy equals to 1 minus 15 gets you minus 14. Okay, so now we have 2xy equals to minus 14. Dividing both sides by 2 to get your value of xy, that is getting you minus 7. So here, my dear friends, we can say the answer for this particular question. Here I can say the value of xy is nothing but minus 7. Okay, so that's it for today. I will see you in the next video.